obereza obwo buhirwe abaana ab'inebiteegi ebironda n'embarga.
So we brought these people here, doctors, to do surgical camp in commemoration of the king's birthday.
And there's nothing as good as touching the health of the population or the people the king rules over, and more so the children. I believe if you correct a young child who could not walk and he walks, you improve the future of that child and the future of the nation.
Dr. Tito Bayenza Kandol Minister w'Imagara ombukama bw'Atoro nagira ngo obukama bw'Atoro obwebembere oyenyimba kabamba lukidi wakana akikozere nkomingumwe kugaruza abantu be. Health camp age eresera abana ku rwo muri district omur Kabarore Ntoroko Kamwenje na Chenjojo.
King Oyo Kabamba Iguru's routine for over 10 years now to commemorate his birthday with surgical and medical camp to enable the less fortunate subjects in his kingdom access life-changing surgery and treatments that they would otherwise not afford. The basic minimum you can pay for such surgery would range from 15 million and above, and many of our people cannot afford that.
Umukiro wa Toro Steven Chinji nagira ngo ekikozwe nicyo kwera abazire na mnongabo abatine sente bitu nibenda abana babo bajanjabwe.
Since Monday this week, the response has been good, and we expected that by the close of the week at least 50 or more will have undergone the orthopedic procedure.
Waditiba kamiheba mutira mukumva mugura garagatereri mwenu so na ndasimo mukama yebara woko cyatukore n'icihanga uko sente tweta kazi basa uko beruza kubuza bakugamba ngo umwana kuza kumutereza ni miliyoni 5. Miliyoni 5 kubanza baguze kibanje kandi kibanje no kukirota chino.
Nimba sima mwebale muno mtsimenyi no mukama ayebale muno mutuma gwatolekera gwengonzi mukama ruhanga ampumugisa abuka miliyoni 1 kitsoka menda sa gitunga kora ho mwana.
Gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.